In 1924, the American Heart Association was founded by a small group of pioneering physicians who believed scientific research was the key to better treatment, prevention, and ultimately a cure. And the American Heart Association has been the catalyst for life-saving developments ever since.
It is a rare cardiovascular or stroke researcher who can't say, I got my start in research from a grant from the American Heart Association.
We're proud of our past as a convener, an educator, and a funder of science. But that's not enough.
In addition to our mainstay work in funding investigators, we have launched big and bold research initiatives that will change health for people everywhere, not just in the United States, but throughout the world.
Our Institute for Precision Cardiovascular Medicine connects people and data around the world to learn more about personalized medicine through cutting-edge cloud-based technology. The goal is to address heart disease based on a person's individual genetic makeup, environment, and lifestyle. What if we could stop heart disease before it even starts? Through genetic and molecular research, One Brave Ideas' world-class team is focusing on the moment heart disease begins, learning what triggers it, and determining how to end it. 10 years and $2.6 billion. That's what it takes to bring a new medicine to market. Can we reduce that time and cost by half? We're working on it through our Center for Accelerated Drug Discovery. Leveraging some of the world's most powerful supercomputers from the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory, scientists and engineers are fast-tracking theories to develop new, life-saving drugs. But who we study is as important as what we study. To fill the gap in women's research, we've launched our Research Goes Red initiative. By recruiting women to take part in clinical trials, we can better understand the unique risks our wives, mothers, sisters, and daughters face against their #1 killer. We're supporting more research than ever before to save the lives of babies born with congenital heart defects. And we're committed to helping enrich their lives as more of them grow and thrive into adulthood. As we help more people live longer, we also want to help them live better through the connection of heart and brain health. The American Heart Association, Allen Initiative in Brain Health and Cognitive Impairment supports 3 teams of leading researchers working to unravel the mysteries of aging related to dementia and Alzheimer's disease.
And so we think that this is a unique opportunity for us to really be able to put the best and brightest to work for an area that is of enormous impact for all Americans.
In our strategically focused research network initiative, we're teaming top researchers from institutions around the country to drive real impact on some of our biggest challenges. Our Tobacco Research Center for Regulatory Science teams American Heart Association investigators with top experts from major research institutions across the country. They're adding to the evidence about the dangers of tobacco use and the growing threat of vaping, and their findings will help shape future policy. The American Heart Association funds more heart disease and stroke research than any nonprofit organization outside the federal government. Yet each year, too many grants go unfunded.
There were so many things that weren't known almost 100 years ago that since then, the American Heart Association has had a big part in discovering. It makes me think, what else do we have to discover?
From pioneering precision medicine to accelerating drug discovery, the American Heart Association is leading bold innovations to improve health and well-being worldwide. Funding research is a cornerstone of the American Heart Association's life-saving mission, a pillar upon which we are founded, and a key to our future as the leader in heart and brain research.